Hi everyone, and welcome to another Techie Wild and Wacky experiment. Today we are going to be making blobs in a bottle. And I have my special friend here today, Haven. Can everyone say hi to Haven?
Hi.
Haven, are you excited to make a blob in a bottle?
Yeah.
Or is it a lava lamp?
Lava lamp.
All right, we'll call it a lava lamp. So what we need for today's class is a clear glass bottle, vegetable oil, water, some food coloring of your choice, and Alka-Seltzer. All right, Miss Haven, are you ready to get started?
Yes.
Are you sure? Are you excited? Okay, so for step number 1, we are going to take our glass bottle and fill it up about 1/4 of a way with water. All right, Miss Haven, you got this? Here, I'll put it down here so you can do it. Ready? She's pouring the water into the glass container. That's perfect, Haven. Awesome job, high five. Next, step number 2, we are going to take our vegetable oil and pour it to right about here to fill it up. All right, are you ready, Haven? I'm gonna do this one because this one's a little heavy. Okay, friends, everybody watch. Oh, look at that. Right about there, that's perfect. Step number 3, take a look. What's happening to the water and the vegetable oil? What's happening?
Turning yellow.
It's turning yellow, but it's separating. Look at the vegetable oil and look at the water. See how the water is down here and the vegetable oil is up here?
Yeah.
Okay, and step number 4, we are going to put our food coloring in. All right, are you ready? On a count of 3, ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, here we go. This is looking great. Should we do a little bit more? A little bit more, a little bit more. Oh, that's perfect, Haven, okay. Are you ready?
Ooh.
And step number 5, you are going to take your Alka-Seltzer and break it in half and then dump it in the container. And watch to see what happens. What's happening, Haven?
Uh-oh.
It's turning to purple, and look at all the bubbles. Look at them go. Should we try out these too, Haven?
Yeah.
Let's try them out. Come on, let's do these. Ready? Pour it in there. Pour it in there. Whoa, look at how cool this is. Haven, look. It made purple. And thank you. I hope you enjoyed today, and we will see you all very, very soon for another Techie Wild and Wacky experiment.